Hey, what's up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be touring this house, but what I'll be doing is showing you guys like the ceiling and the windows, and there's this skylight. Yes, that I will be showing you guys, and I hope you guys will enjoy this. I love luxury house. This house is not yet complete, but they are working on it, and it's a process, but it's not how you start or where you at, and sometimes you walk your toes, sometimes it's slow, but you'll get there. All you need to do is just press and keep going. Have big dreams, and keep pressing towards your dream. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like if you do, and if there's something that you want to see more on this channel. It's about love, DIY, and also my beautiful country, Jamaica. And yes, so I have to talk about my feet on this channel. All right, guys, so do enjoy this little video. Please remember to subscribe. God bless.